siya sa salad master ng aking silang guys. Oh, ilang piraso lang yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces guys. So it's gonna be my food for 3 days. 7 pieces of meat. So let's add that one. Lemongrass. 8 minutes lang guys na naluto. So yung okra guys, hindi ko yung kinakat kasi ayoko ng slimy. I don't like slimy on my sinigang yung parang naglalaway. Kaya nilalagay ko yan na buo ang okra. Yan. At parang hindi rin siya masyadong malabo. Kaya nahanap ko yung okra guys kasi hello! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. So right now it's 3:43. It's almost 4 p.m. guys and I haven't had any meal. Kung sa Tagalog, hindi pa ako kumakain. So, I'm still cooking my pork sinigang, yung laman na may kunting balat. Only a little bit. So, first, I boil in this one. But, because I have a lot of vegetable to add on. So, here you go. Tomatoes, pichay, celery. I have a lot of celery and cabbage, wing beans, green onions, okra, lemongrass, and garlic. So we're gonna add now the vegetables. What I take on my lunch, guys, I didn't eat lunch, only this one is smoothie. 1 glass of this smoothie. This is for the fridge. So I always make my detox smoothie. So, I'm gonna focus the camera so you can see. Yan guys, oh. Ilang piraso lang yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces guys. So, it's gonna be my food for 3 days. 7 pieces of meat. So, let's add that one. Lemongrass. So, 450 degrees Fahrenheit guys. The Pro 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna add the onions and garlic. I didn't put any ginger guys because I put already lemongrass and this is not fish. So I don't need to put any of those. And then we're gonna add the wing beans and cabbage or repolyo. I was planning to add some more beets, root, or gabi or taro, but since I put already a lot of vegetables, so I don't have to put those, guys. So, malambot na yung karne, guys. Pinakulaan ko na siya ng 30 minutes. See? So, hindi siya magkakasya dito kasi maliit. Mahilig guys ako sa gulay, kaya usually, sinigang na gulay lang sana guys ang kakainin ko. Kaso, naisip ko, marami nga pala akong mga frozen. So, punong-puno yung freezer ko guys. So, kailangan maubos yung laman ng freezer ko. Kasi maluluma siya ng husto. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes or to 12 minutes. So, 10 to 12 minutes guys ang cooking time pag nai-add nyo na lahat ng vegetables. So, medyo marami to. Nga nalaglag. Ilagay natin. Sayang. So, medyo marami yung gulay. So, hanggang 12 minutes siya. So, when it's cooked, I'm gonna show it to you again, guys. So, this is very healthy, guys. Detox. The ingredients of this, it's in my YouTube also. You can just check on my upload videos. Or, I think there's a live also for this detox smoothie. So, green apple. If you don't have green apple, it's okay. Celery, lime and lemon, ginger and turmeric. And I add dates, 4 pieces of dates. Because I made one of these full. So it's good for 3 to 5 days for me guys to drink. So this one, I can drink this for 2 days. I'm just gonna divide it. It's very thick. So I can add still coconut juice, coconut water. So again, beets, pomegranate, celery, parsley, coriander, lemon, ginger, garlic. No garlic, sorry. Lemon, lime, ginger, turmeric, and then celery. What else? So yeah, just check guys my YouTube videos. You can find it. So how to make your own detox. So and also cucumber, 4 pieces of small cucumber and 1/8 piece of big watermelon. So and also yeah, the pomegranate in beets and coconut water combined. So that's it. So nag-clicking na siya guys. I-turn low natin hanggang sa maluto yung gulay. After 3 minutes guys, nag-clicking na. So I think within 5-8 minutes luto na yung gulay. So ayan, 200 na lang siya degrees Fahrenheit. Ayan yung ating Vapo bulb, oh. Ayan. Ilalak natin, nilak ko na yung kanyang nutrients. See guys, ibig sabihin kumukulo siya sa loob kahit nakaluhit. Oh. Ayan, nagki-clicking siya guys. It means I think it's cooked already, the food inside. So we have to check it out if it's really cooked. Not even 10 minutes guys, it's only 8 minutes or 7 minutes right now. So let's check it out guys after 8 minutes. I was expecting to check it out after 10 minutes. See guys, wow, it's cooked already. Saktong-sakto guys, so hindi nalabog yung gulay. I-turn off na natin yan, oh. So ngayon, na-turn off na natin yung gulay. Let's try it. Kung anong lasa ng ating pork sinigang. Pero wala pang ano yan. Wala pa siyang lemon. So lalagyan pa natin yan ng lemon maya-maya ng konti. Titikman muna natin yung sabaw. Ang sarap na. Wow, light, very light ang lasa guys. Sarap. Tinanggalan ko kasi siya guys ng mga taba-taba na yung lumilitaw, umiibabaw sa tubig. Tinatanggal ko yun guys. Kasi ayoko nun. Bad cholesterol yun. Yun yung nagpapataas ng cholesterol natin sa katawan kapag yun ay kinain nyo. So now, it's cooked already. That's the time we gonna add lemon. So 1 whole lemon para mas maasim. Ayan o. Focus natin ang camera para mas maasim. I like on sinigang guys, sour. So, ayan. Lagyan na natin to. Ayan. At i-add lang natin ang lemon, lime, or calamansi kapag luto na. Sa adobo, okay lang na isama nyo yan sa umpisa. Pero pag ganito, takpan natin at aalugin natin siya. I-shake natin para hindi masyadong malabog si gulay. Ayan. Shake, shake, baby. Shake, shake, body, body dancer. Now, it's time to eat. Kasi 4 o'clock na, 4:13 ng hapon. So, gutom na si Inday. Na ang aking sinigang na gulay na may kaunting baboy. Tingnan nyo siya guys, oh, hindi siya mamantika, oh, halos wala kang makitang mantika. Konting-konti lang, ipupokus ko yung camera sa inyo guys habang kumukuha ako ng aking pagkain. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh, hindi siya masyadong mamantika. Ayan, oh, ang ganda ng gulay natin, oh. Diba? Ang daming green. Oh. Ayan, oh, yung ating gulay, lutong-luto, pati kamatis. 8 minutes lang, guys, na naluto. So, yung okra, guys, hindi ko yung kinakat kasi ayoko ng slimy. I don't like slimy on my sinigang, yung parang naglalaway. So, kaya nilalagay ko yan na buo ang okra. Ayan, oh. At para hindi rin siya masyadong malabog. Hinahanap ko yung okra guys kasi kakainin ko lahat yung okra. Tapos pag nagpainit uli ako, mag-a-add uli ako ng okra, yung ipapainit ko lang. Ganyan ako guys. Halos wala akong makitang karne, oh. Ayan, oh. 1 piraso. 2 piraso ngayon. Tapos bukas, 2 piraso ulit. Sa isang araw, ganun din. So, 3 days. Good for 3 days na to guys na pagkain ko. Yan. Diba? Ganyan lang. Tipid-tipid. 1 meal a day guys. Ito na yung aking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 1 meal a day lang kasi wala tayong trabaho. Ganyan kami dito sa abroad kung magtipid. 1 meal a day or 2 meal a day. Yan na. So, hindi siya masabaw guys. Ayoko nang masyadong lumalangoy sa sabaw ang aking sinigang guys. Kasi nawawala yung linamnam. Gusto ko malasang-malasa ang sinigang ko. Kaya napakaraming gulay. So, bon appetit! Let's eat! Sarap o sinigang na sinigang. Tsaka sa sinigang guys, ayoko nang may sili. Ayoko yung amoy ng sili, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Naglalagay ako ng mga sili guys sa mga Bicol Express. Yan. Kakaskasin ko pa tong, may natira-tira pa tong konti. Ilalagay ko dito sa aking bowl. Yan. Kasi gusto ko maasim na maasim ang aking sinigang. Saan yung isa? Nalaglag ata. At, before you eat, time to add black pepper for easy absorption of all nutrients. Ayan. Kahit yung aking smoothie guys, nilalagyan ko ng black pepper. For easy absorption of, para madaling ma-absorb ng body natin ang mga nutrients. Ayan, oh. Nadudurog yung yung karne, guys, oh. Nadudurog, oh. Pag hinalo mo, nadudurog, oh. Super lambot. 30 minutes ko lang to, guys, na pinakuluan. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. Kaya, super linamnam nito. Sarap. Lasang-lasa yung gulay. Mas nalalasahan ko guys yung manamis-namis na lasa ng gulay kaysa sa karne. Kasi super dami ng gulay eh. Imagine mo, yung 7 piraso lang yung yung aking karne at yung aking gulay halos like 1/8 lang yung karne kumpara sa gulay na nilagay ko. So ganyan ako guys magluto na karne, mas lamang ang gulay. So, dito kakain tayo ng ating masarap na pagkain. Ayan. Diba guys? Ito na. Nanonood ako ng YouTube channel ng iba. Ayan, naka-on lang yan. Kahit nasa labas ako guys, naka-on yan mga YouTube channel ng iba. Ay, grabe sarap. Super linamnam. And super healthy guys kasi hindi yan ginigisa-gisa na. Wala nang gisa-gisa pag ako nagluluto guys. Avoid greasy food, fatty foods. So, avoid the high cholesterol. So, hindi na. Dati kasi nag-high cholesterol ako. So, talagang inavoid ko lahat ng mamantikang pagkain at matataba. Once in a while, yes, outside I eat. But most of the time at home, I eat like this. Even my spring roll, I put in a oven or in a frying pan in salad master without using oil. Lasahan mo talaga guys na crunchy pa yung mga gulay, lumalagutok pa. I forgot guys, when I eat pork or any meat, even fish or chicken, even when I eat avocado, here you go. Oh, diba? You see it. It's fermented garlic with apple cider. It's been like 3 months fermented already, guys. Ayan, oh. Medyo maitim-itim na, pero ang sarap. Pag kumakain ako, guys, ng avocado, like in the noon time, I eat avocado, 1 avocado, kiwi, or blueberry, I add this with the apple cider vinegar. So this one, I-scoop ko na lang to, lagay ko siya dito, ayan. So, hanggang 7 pieces ang kinakain ko nito. Ayan, 7 pieces na. Malilit at malalaki. O, sarado na natin. Isinasabaw ko ito, guys, yung sabaw nito sa avocado at kiwi. So, yan ang ginagawa ko, guys. Kasi hindi ko kaya yung sibuyas. So, ito ang ginagawa ko, oh. Diba? Sarap. To control the cholesterol. Because pork has a cholesterol, bad cholesterol. Even I tried to remove some fats, it still have left. Sarap. Diba? Sarap niyan. Manamis-namis. It is sweeter and you can smell the apple cider and garlic together. But it's not spicy anymore. And I'm giving this to some of my colleagues in Salad Master Burberry. It's expensive. The apple cider is expensive. All organic. So that's how I do, guys, to be healthy. Always take care of your body. No one gonna take care of your body. Only us, ourselves. So, isang subo ng karne, isang subo din ng garlic na fermented. And then people, they keep eating, you know, keep eating the fried. The fried is become toxic, nagiging carcinogenic, at pumupunta yan sa ating katawan at isa yun sa nagiging cause ng cancer. When you cook the oil, it's become toxic. Then you're gonna eat everything, so your body, you're poisoning your own body. My God, it's so good. Because it's hot today, hot weather. I'm sweating like crazy now because I'm eating sinigang. Grabe guys, ang sarap. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. So, subscribes, comments, likes, hypes, and share, please. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I love you all and thank you. I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful to all of you guys. Thank you so much. And may God bless us all and all of us together to reach what is our goal. Why we become content creator. For me, I become content creator for sharing the healthy tips, healthy cooking, healthy eating. You know, prevention is always better than cure. If we love ourselves, we have to take care of it because this is the precious body given by our Creator from heaven. So, if we didn't take care of it, of course, we're gonna get sick. Everything happening to us. Who do you think has to be blamed when we get sick? Of course, us, because we are careless. Right? So, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Pag nauwi ako ng Pilipinas at ganito ang niluluto ko, sinigang na maraming gulay, ayaw ng mga kapatid ko kasi katwiran nila. Puro gulay lang daw, walang karne. Kasi nga, kundi lang na karne nilalagay ko. Mas marami talaga gulay kasi to be healthy. Ang sarap guys ng okra. Malinamnam. Ngayon ko lang siya binili. Kasi nagpakulo na ako ng karne. Tapos nung maghihiwa ako ng sibuyas guys, wala pala akong sibuyas. So tumakbo pa ako sa store. Tapos bumili na rin ako diretso ng okra. Kasi sariwa yung okra bagong dating. Tapos ang nilagay kong lemongrass guys ay 3. So wala siyang langsa, hindi mo maamoy yung langsa niya, ang maaamoy mo lemongrass. Cabbage. Paano ba kayo magulay ng cabbage guys? Ang cabbage guys, pag ginugulay, isasama nyo yung gitna kasi nandyan yung pinakamaraming minerals. Nasa gitna ng cabbage usually, tinatapon ng karamihan yung gitna kasi matigas, di ba? Tsaka sabi nila mapait daw. Pero pag sa salad master nyo niluto, manamis-namis ang gitna at lumalambot. Ayan, no? Yung pinakang gitna, oh. Sarap, manamis-namis. Gustong-gusto ko yung gitna nito. Minsan, pag naghihiwa kami sa bahay ni Amo ng gulay, di tinatapon ng friendship ko, no? Ang ginagawa ko, kinukuha ko, kinakain ko ng hilaw. Lalo guys, yung broccoli. Yan, broccoli tsaka yung cauliflower, tinatapon niya ng friendship ko yung mga tangkal. Kinukuha ko naman. Sa akin yung basura. Kay Amo lang yung mga dahon-dahon. So, mas healthy yung kinakain ko kasi nandun yung minerals. Ay, sarap ng sabaw. So, ganito lang guys, lagi ang pagkain ko, no rice. Natikim lang ako ng rice, 1 kutsarang rice hanggang 2 kutsara sa mga handaan guys. Once a week. But, pag may pansit, hindi ako kumakain ng rice. Puro gulay lang din, tsaka yung pansit. Kasi yung pansit guys, carbs na yun eh. Pag tumatanda na tayo, nagkakaedad tayo, hindi na natin kailangan ng maraming carbs sa katawan. Kunti-kunti na lang. Ay ako nga, kita nyo, no bread, no carbs, pero lumalaki pa rin yung katawan ko kasi yung nag-change ang body natin, especially tayong mga babae. Hormones imbalance when our time of menopausal. That's why mostly women, they gan fat or obese or chubby when they getting age, they getting old. Like me, my body before is like only 21 waistline. Now, my waistline is 30 or 31. So, 10 inch more. But I still have my curve on my body. Proportion pa din ang aking body, guys. Kahit tumatanda na ako. Busog na ako, guys. Hindi ko pa nahahati yung pagkain ko. Nabusog ako kakadaldal. You know why? Bakit madaling makabusog ang ganitong pagkain? It's easy fill your stomach because there's no preservatives on it, guys. And it's not a lot of fats on it. Kasi nga, I remove some fats that on the top of water when it's starting boiling. I remove all of those. You can scoop it and throw it away. That's what I'm doing. Tinatanggal ko lahat ng taba-taba sa ibabaw, guys, kasi yun yung nagdudulot sa atin ng high bad cholesterol. Sarap. Bye-bye muna, guys. I will enjoy my food. So, I'm gonna stop talking. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day. God bless us all. Thank you, thank you. Dahil pinagpawisan ako ng bonggang-bongga, pakatapos ko kumain, guys, ng sinigang Eto na ngayon, oh, ayan, oh, pampalamig, ice cream. Ang init kasi sa labas. So, hindi ako nakabangon ng maaga, di ako nakapag-walking this morning. So, mag-walking ako after na kumain ng ice cream, o, di ba? May dessert. So, kumakain ako ng very healthy food. At, sometimes, kumakain din ako ng unhealthy food. So, ito, unhealthy ito, guys, kasi sugary ito, eh. Pero, I don't have diabetes. That's why I can finish the whole thing. If you are diabetic, you shouldn't eat a lot of ice cream. Diba? Sarap. Ano to eh? King size. King size cones. Ano bang flavor nito? Blue bunny with peanuts. Kaya, favorite ko talaga yung ganito. May cookies and cream, tsaka may peanuts. So, itong mga favorite kong ice cream yung may peanuts or any nuts. Sarap mo. Guys, so ice cream tayo. Ice cream sa mainit na panahon. I eat ice cream, guys. I think it's been 2 months or 3 months I haven't eat any ice cream. So, ganyan ako, guys. Kung kailan ko lang maisipan kumain ng ice cream, pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko, hindi ako lagi kumakain ng ice cream. Kasi nga, yung blood sugar, nakakapagpataas ng blood sugar. Pero wala akong problema sa diabetes, kaya okay lang. Tsaka, isang beses sa 3 buwan, or isang beses sa 1 buwan, okay lang, guys. Kahit isang beses sa 1 linggo, okay pa din.